Hello, good afternoon. Can you reduce that TV completely? Good afternoon. Yeah, today we're going to make a meat pie together. I have already done the dough. I use this bowl to mix the dough. So I put some flour, salt, and then this is the flour I used for the dough. And then I added water. I also added salt. So this is the dough that I've done, and this is the dough right there. I already made the sauce that we're going to put inside the pie. Actually, I'm making fish pie. Here you have mashed fish, boiled, potatoes, and carrots. I'm using the fillet fish, so it's fish pie. I already did the dough. I was just waiting for it to. So this is a sample of fillet that I used. This is a fillet fish. So, and then I've got this new meat pie cutter that I wanted to show you. So when you are doing the big size, you can cut the dough into this place and just close it together. So this is the name. It's called gourmet. It's called gourmet. That's it. Comes in different sizes. You have this size to cut the small size of meat pie. You have this size, and then we have this very small size as well. That's it. So now, like I said the sauce is made of fish, fillet fish, potatoes, and garlic, onions, seasoning, carrots, all fried, and then we have the egg that I'll be using to polish when I start making the dough. When I start making the pie, I need to polish it with an egg wash before I put fake on it. So I'm going to use this to polish. Then this is the egg here ready. And then this is the fake I'm going to use to punch it. So now we're going to make our tray ready. I'm going to make the tray ready. I'll put some olive oil. Yeah, I'll put some olive oil in the tray. I'm going to use olive oil to base the tray. So now I'll start by doing this. I'm going to cut out some dough because this dough is really much. I'm going to cut some out. I'm going to remove one of the doughs. I'm making about 40 meat pie for back to school. Spreading it out with the rolling pin. Spreading it out. Putting some flour, put some flour. We can go and try to open the cake to cut some. Did you hear me, Ricky? I'll take the cake upstairs. Get something for them to cut it. Take it to them upstairs. Why? Yeah, I cut out some, I spread it out. So it's time for us to start using the equipment. I'm going to use this to cut the pie. Like I said, it's called gourmet. I bought it from Temu. So they have different sizes. It's the modern equipment to make your meat pie. I got it from Temu. It's very cheap. So now I'm going to set the oven at 350 degrees centigrade, and then the meat pie normally stays for at least 35 minutes maximum to get ready.
Where is the cake? It's melting.
When you set it up, put it at 350 and then you on it. When you hear the sound, it means the oven is ready, and then you start placing them. I've already oiled my tray, so I'm going to start molding the pies. I use this to cut. I will make it in the second video, so the video will not be too long, and I'll put this and set it up. I'll be ready to put it in the oven.
Can you give me a knife?